Estonians who made it to Canada and the US, each of us has a tale, if not many tales. In my case, I would like to pay homage to my dad's family. They, like many Estonians, met a sad fate, involved in the 10,000 who got sent off to the east, and in this case they did not make it back to Estonia, and obviously not to Canada.
Tahaks seda kivi pühendada oma vanematele, kes elasid läbi kohutavad kannatused, et mind Põhja-Ameerikasse tuua ja samas tõid nad ka osa Eesti kultuurist, eesti keelest.
Estonians came to Canada and the US mainly in 1950, and they've had an outsized impact on the community. And I think Keskus is tangible evidence of this outsized community.
Keskus has always been about two halves. It's been about the building itself and the courtyard as well. That the courtyard always represents a part of the history of the Keskus project, including the ancestry aspects of the project of people who've come to Canada, made a new life here, and it tells their story even when they're not there. It reads as a continuous thing because the stones are all connected to each other in the concentric circles where they emulate the outline of the country. And if you were reading a book, you don't necessarily finish the book in one go. You read X number of pages and then you go on and come back to it, savor what you have read, and then read some more and get a further picture of the story of Keskus.
Mina otsustasin selle projektiga ühineda, seepärast mina tahan selle kivi minu ema auks ja mälestuseks pühendada. Ta oli 24-aastane, kui ta lahkus Eestist 2 väikse poisiga ja ootas ka mind. Ma sündisin Austrias just aprillikuus, kus seda oli just lõppemas. Mul on hea meel seda näidist näha, sest ma leian, et see on nii huvitav mõte ja ma loodan, et paljud kavatsevad sellega ühineda ja ma ei oodata näha, kuni see on sinna keskusesse välja pandud ja saame siis mälestada minu emat.
One of the goals of the Keskus project has been to involve Estonians around the world. The thought of bringing a thin slice of Estonia and then have that as the kind of foundation layer for the story, it just seems so incredibly poetic. And then have the engravings and have people tell their stories, not to memorialize things, but just to explain the history of how we got here.
Need kivid jäävad mälestuseks tulevate põlvkondadele, et meelde tuletada kõik need kannatused, mis nende vanavanemad läbi elasid, et siin uut elu alustada.
These paving stones will continue to tell the tales, both happy and bleak, of Estonians in Canada and the US, continuing past when we've all left.